Hey, get in here. First home freaking duel. Let's go out there and lay it on the line. Have some fun tonight, okay? Get this started for us, okay? Okay? We want to be MAC champs at the end of the year. Get it started right now. Go Cats on 3. 1, 2, 3. Go Cats! Come on, right now. Nobody's got as big as heart as you, okay? Get your feet moving. Make you move around out there. You don't feel like you have to do anything right away. Let's go, G. Come on, all you, all you. Let's go. Fight, 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 fight.
Keep circling.
Keep circling. Move your feet. Move your feet. Move your feet. Move your feet. To your feet, hand controlling out. Don't roll around.
Try, double.
Pick him up.
Hips
1. That's it. Circle him. Circle him towards the head. Circle him towards the head. Shot, shot, shot.
Take a shot.
Shot.
Take a shot. Let's go. Pull him in.
2. That's 2. That's 2. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2. Hey, everyone, we got every one of these guys exhausted. Just keep a hard pace. Hard pace, we've got him tired. Keep working, keep working, keep working. He's not gonna work, you keep working. Drive him forward now, drive him forward. Was that old school side roll? Better watch that, that's the most dangerous move in wrestling. 2! Keep him down! Front headlock, make him hurt, get him tired. Every one of these guys have got tired, okay? You're in amazing shape. Unbelievable. Let's go, Purdue. Every one of these guys has got exhausted, okay? Pressure on him, pressure on him, pressure on him. There you go, good. 2. Good job, great effort. Great effort, great effort. Hey, hey, underhooks 2-on-1s.
Let's go.
Hey, hey, you're trying to finish over your head instead of away from it. Stalling! Woo-hoo!
Good day.
Couple things. One, remember how we're talking about finishing over top of your head? That hurt you against that guy. Okay, good job. You want me to get that for you?
Hey, don't let him back. Don't you use that.
Head position on it. Head. There you go. Good. 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 Deep breaths. Hold it. Let it out slow.
He's way more tired than you. He's the one who took the injury
Hey,
time.
hold it. You just keep going. Yeah, I got you.
In the nose, out the mouth.
Okay. There you go. Let him out slow.
In the nose, out the mouth. Regulate him a little bit.
There you go. That's better. That's better. Come on, Red. This guy wants no part of you. Let's go. Okay. He wants no part of you. Keep circling, hook his leg. Keep circling, hook his leg.
Hey, pull up the ball.
1, 2. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Now's when you start building your lead, okay? Let's go. Hey, hey. He's beating you to the tie, okay? Get your hands out in front of you, not in here. Hey, you own the white circle, okay? You own that. He gets nothing here. He gets nothing. Keep him down. Let's go, Ramos. Come on. Get going right now, okay? Out there, a lot of energy, high speed here. Let's go. Let's go. He's cracked right now. He's done. He's done. Get that motion going on your feet, okay? Motion going on your feet. He is dead. You freaking cracked him already, okay? Stay on him. Hey, right here. Okay? You guys just dual meet for us right now. Let's go. Let him open up on the bottom. There you go. Give him some room to open up on the bottom. That's it. He's got room right now. Don't. Get your knee down. Don't let him grab. There you go. Give him, that's it. Keep giving him that room to open up. Keep giving him that room to open up.
There you go with the claw.
One guy's working hard out there. One guy's working hard out there. One guy's not. Hey! Hey! Q. Q. This is what you wanted. Take advantage of it. Let's go. Come on, hard pace now. Hard pace now. You got him tired. Let's go. Get your hips up on top. Don't worry about it turning right now. Hips on top. Grinding on him. He's pinned.
Stick him!